ask your simple in the App Store. In today's video, I'll show you how to use a code on Udemy so you can redeem credits or apply a promotion instantly. It's quick, simple, and only takes a moment. To begin, open your preferred web browser and search for Udemy. Once the website loads, log into your account using the button at the top of the page. If you're already logged in, you'll see your profile picture in the upper corner. Click on your profile picture to open the account menu, then select the option called Udemy Credits. This is where all your promotional codes, vouchers, and available credits are managed. Once you're inside the credits section, look for the field where you can enter your promo or voucher code. Carefully type it in or paste it directly to avoid any mistakes. Even a small typo can cause the code to be rejected. After the code is entered correctly, click the Redeem button. Udemy will verify your code, and if everything is valid, your credits will update right away or the promotion will activate on your account. In many cases, this gives you an immediate discount on a course or reduces the price when you check out. If you run into any issues, you can contact Udemy support directly from the help section. They respond quickly and can assist if your code is not working. And that's it. You now know exactly how to redeem a code on Udemy and start saving on your next course. Thank you for watching and happy learning.